Comparative analysis. Works contract vs sale vs service, key Supreme Court decisions. Cases compared. 1. Larsen and Toubro Limited v. State of Karnataka 2014-1 S.C. C. 7082. Kona Elevators v. State of Tamil Nadu 2014-7 S.C. C13. State of Karnataka v. Pro Lab 2015, Air South Carolina 1098. 1. Nature of transaction. Case. Nature of transaction. L&T 2014. Construction, Development Agreements. Kona Elevators 2014, Supply plus Installation of Elevators. Pro Lab 2015. Diagnostic Pathology Services. 2. Core Legal Issue. Case. Issue considered. L&T whether works contracts are divisible post 46th Amendment. Kona Elevators whether elevator contracts are sale or works contract. Case. Issue considered. Pro Lab whether use of consumables in services amounts to sale. 3. Applicability of Article 366, 29A. Case. Deemed sale under Art. 366, 29A. L&T. Checkmark yes. Works contract 366, 29A, B. Kona Elevators checkmark yes. Works contract 366, 29A, B. Pro Lab. Crossmark no. Pure service, not covered. 4. Transfer of property in goods. Case. Transfer of property. L&T. Goods, cement, steel, pass during construction. Kona Elevators goods pass on installation and incorporation. Pro Lab. No transfer. Consumables are used up. 5. Dominant intention test. Case. Status of dominant intention test. L&T. Crossmark rejected, post 46th Amendment. Case. Status of dominant intention test. Kona Elevators crossmark rejected, Constitution Bench. Pro Lab. Checkmark service nature decisive, not a works contract. 6. Whether it is a works contract. Case works contract. L&T. Checkmark yes. Kona Elevators checkmark yes. Pro Lab. Crossmark no. 7. Taxability of goods component. Case. Tax on goods component. L&T. Checkmark yes. VAT on goods value. Kona Elevators checkmark yes. VAT on goods value. Pro Lab. Crossmark no tax, no sale, deemed sale. 8. Ratio decidendi, core rule. Case. Principle laid down. L&T 2014. Post 46th Amendment. Works contracts are divisible and goods used are deemed sold. Kona Elevators 2014. Composite supply plus installation contracts are works contracts. Pro Lab 2015. Consumption of goods in providing professional services not a sale. 9. One glance summary. Aspect. L&T Kona Elevators Pro Lab. Composite contract checkmark. Crossmark. Works contract. Checkmark. Crossmark. Deemed sale. Checkmark. Crossmark. Pure service. Crossmark. Checkmark. Sales, VAT on goods checkmark. Crossmark. Exam ready comparative conclusion. L&T 2014 and Kona Elevators 2014 established that after the 46th Constitutional Amendment, composite contracts involving incorporation of goods are works contracts, and the goods component is taxable as a deemed sale under Article 366, 29A, B. Pro Lab 2015 draws a clear boundary by holding that pure professional or diagnostic services, where consumables are merely used up and no property in goods passes, do not constitute a sale or deemed sale. One-line comparative rule. If goods are incorporated and property passes right pointing arrow works contract, taxable. If goods are merely consumed in service right pointing arrow no sale, not taxable. If you want, I can also add pre-46th cases, Gannon Dinkley, Sentinel, for a full timeline. Convert this into a 10-mark exam answer format. Link the comparison with current GST treatment.